Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.o, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to do knotless box braids on straight hair. For this hair I used 4 packs of ombre hair, 1/3 pack of black Xpresion hair, and it took me 7 hours. You would need a tail comb and gel apart from the hair to achieve this look. Okay, I'm using this spaced out portion of my comb and I'm gonna section out the hair horizontally from ear to ear to create the different boxes that we are gonna section out. Once I've done that, I applied some gel to the partings so that the hair stays in place. You know, straight hair flies around more than the kinky natural hair. Now I'm going to take the same end of my rat tail comb and I'm going to begin to section the hair out in a brick-like manner, meaning that the lower section of the hair that has already been braided, I'm going to create rectangular portions on top, but the edges of the rectangle are going to be in between the middle of the lower portions that have been braided. When I do that, I take some gel, twist the hair around to hold it in place so that there's no flyaway and it makes it easier for braiding. I'm going to attach a picture of a brick wall so that you can see the brick-like manner in which I'm talking about and see where the edges are. This also helps the hair to look flawless and it doesn't show gaps. Now I used my Ecosytling gel for this. I'm going to repeat this process, taking the gel, wrapping it around to hold each section in place. Now taking my braiding hair or my attachment, I'm going to divide it into 1/3 and 2/3. Now the 1/3 portion, I'm going to wrap it around the 2/3 portion to make a loop. Now you can see my loop. I'm going to repeat it again for you so that you can see. Dividing it into 1/3 and 2/3, I take the 1/3 portion and loop it around the 2/3 portion. Now this will give you 3 equal portions for braiding. Now taking my client's hair that I've sectioned out into rectangles, I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts. Showing you again, divide into 3. 1, 2, and the 3rd part. I'm going to take the 1/3 portion of the attachment and hold it against the 3rd portion of my client's hair. Taking the 2nd portion of the braiding hair, I'm going to hold it to the 2nd part of my client's hair. And the 1st part of the braiding hair, I'm going to hold it to the 1st part of my client's hair and begin braiding down. I'm going to repeat this again so that you understand, but trust me, practice makes perfect and it is going to be so simple once you actually do it. Now make sure that you do take every strand of the client's hair so that you don't have flyaways when you finish braiding. Now this process that I explained to you enables you not to have that knot or that bump that you see around the base of the hair when you have braids. Make sure you braid all the way down so that it doesn't unravel later on. Even though I must say that this ombre hair is not the best quality because it was really hard for it to stay in place, but it did stay. Now I'm going to repeat the process again, taking braiding hair, dividing it into 1/3 and 2/3, looping the 1/3, that's the smaller portion, around the 2/3 portion, taking my client's sectioned hair and dividing it into 3 equal parts, I take the 1/3 portion of the braiding hair and attach to the 3rd part of my client's hair. Take the 2nd part of the braiding hair and hold against or attach to my client's 2nd part of the hair, and the 1st part of the braiding hair and hold it against the 1st part of my client's hair and begin braiding down, making sure that I take all strands of her hair so that there are no flyaways at the end of the day. Once the base is secure, you can begin braiding down in your normal 3-strand way. Now I'm just showing you again from a different angle how we achieve this knotless braid. Here I'm just taking the big bunch of the braiding hair and sectioning it out into different smaller parts so that when it's time to braid, I just pick those smaller parts, divide it as it needs to be, and begin braiding. Taking my rat tail comb, I am again making those brick-like sections in the hair, using gel to hold the base so that it makes it easier for me when I start braiding. I quickly ran through the rest of the process, and now I am taking my scissors and cutting away any flyaways or any hair that's sticking out from the braid before I put the hair into hot water to further seal the ends of each braid. Now, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Okay, taking an elastic band, I'm just going to hold the hair together before I dip it into hot water. And as you'll notice, my 2 young men are walking around wondering why mommy's still downstairs doing something after how many hours. I don't know if I mentioned, but the hair took me 7 hours. Now taking hot water, I'm dipping the tips of the hair into the hot water, like I said, to further seal it. Now this ombre hair does not seal so well with hot water, but the Xpresion hair that I used at the back did. Taking a face towel, I'm just going to squeeze out the hot water from the hair so it doesn't hurt my client. Then use the towel to press against the roots of her hair. And that's the finished look, guys. I was just taking some pictures so that I can put it on Instagram and doing like a quick video so I can also put it on my Instagram. You can also follow me on my Instagram page at Amofa.o. And now we're going to see transformation of this lovely black dark hair into an ombre box braid, knotless braid. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, subscribe, and share with somebody. Until next time, bye.